if you're from the US like me, a roundabout is not as common. But of course, in Europe, roundabout is much more much more common. And also I forgot everything was on the opposite side of the road. So when I was crossing traffic, I was a little confused at first. I'm like, oh, right. In the UK, so everything's a little different. Oh wow, people could swim there. I didn't realize that. We have a lot of like banks here. We have Citi, we have Chase. We're gonna do the wharf. I think it's called the Canal Wharf, if I'm not mistaken. And I just like this area a lot. The hotel that I'm staying near, I've never been to London before, and I just basically chose this area because the price and what I'm getting with my hotel, and it turns out to be like really beautiful here. I think I enjoy this more than basically where else I was gonna stay, because I was gonna stay more in like central London. And they have this like really cool swimming pool. It's definitely a vibe. I've walked by it a few times. Not even sure what building this is, but it's big. And then where we're walking to, there's like this really popular bar area. I gotta say, swimming in this is probably fun. And there are like all these restaurants and stuff here. So it's pretty cool.
Yo también prefiero la... Auntie, I can see you out. Let's go to the fridge.
I think we're about to pass this Italian restaurant that I checked out the other day. Oh well, we got Morgan Stanley too. It's just like very charming here. And then this place, especially at night, is just like raging with people. Like everybody is here. Like everybody is drinking, having a good time. Very impressive. Like when it's later at night, you can't even walk here. It's like so crowded. Let's see if I can get the name for you. Here's the name for anybody that wants to check it out. And then here's a really cool thing to check out. This is a project which I'll have to leave the name for you. Because I forgot the name. But basically they're just partnered to help with the environment, and I think their goal is like building like ecosystems, and yeah, instead of me making it up, I'll just read it to you. But it's a cause that I could get behind, that's for sure. There's the tube. It's just like so beautiful down here. And then I'll read off the and we'll take a little trip over here. Okay, it's a charity whose educational purpose is to demonstrate and inspire positive action for the planet. And then you can pause the video and read the rest to yourself. And like, it's just so beautiful here. I love it. And then I don't know, I think we'll do here, and then we'll do this park, and then I think that's kind of gonna be it for right now. I can show a little bit of the some of the subway stops. Almost hit a bird. Yeah, I was originally gonna start the video like basically here, but I don't know, I kind of wanted to show the roundabout. Okay. And there's really a nice supermarket around here, but I don't know. I guess we'll see if I go there or not. I don't know. I haven't really decided yet. Oh, and also this is going to be filmed on the iPhone 17 Pro. For anybody wondering, I used to have the iPhone 14 Pro, but I don't know. For some reason, I held off for the longest time not buying the new iPhone. And then eventually I caved in and purchased it. And I think part of my... Oh, this is the Italian restaurant I was talking about earlier. I think part of the reason why I caved in was I'm like, oh, I'm going to London. You know, I can use it to, you know, film some YouTube videos. And I think that was my poor excuse of why I purchased it.
Like my story time would be amazing. It could go viral.
And we'll get this over here. I'm also going to show my apartment as well. I was so happy I was able to do laundry earlier. For anybody dying to know, ever since I've been in London, I've been like constantly taking the wrong train. But I think finally now I know it a little bit better. And then let me not fall up the stairs. Let me focus on this. And here's just like another cool area. Okay, so we're gonna go to this park. And then, I don't know, after that, I think we'll end it at the grocery store. That's pretty cool. Actually, I was here last night for Ariana Grande. She was fantastic. The only issue was the chaos at the end. They had like all these like roads and streets blocked off, and like we were kind of like all forced to go the same way, and there was just so many people. I ended up just walking home, which took like an hour, hour and a half. And then yeah, this is kind of cool. I was watching someone else's video, and they were saying that they were very impressed with how many parks London has. You kind of forget that you're in a big city. See how high the buildings are. I mean, I'm from New York, but even still, big buildings still impress me here. Take a look at the fountain over here. Well, of course, the camera doesn't pick up smell, but you can like really smell the dirt and everything here. I don't know, the trees and stuff smell a little bit differently over here. Here's where we came from. It's been a while since I've made a video, actually. I haven't really been traveling, although that's not entirely true. I've just been to some boring places recently.
Oh no.
Take a look at these plants over here. And I can't really do a side-by-side comparison, but I definitely feel the camera's a lot better for the 17 Pro. Maybe I'll see if I can pull up some old footage and do some kind of comparison, but truthfully I probably won't. And then we'll make a left and then go to, I'll show you this really nice grocery store. I don't know, I feel like the produce is actually better in England. Sorry, London. But I don't know how I can prove that, because with my apartment, I have a kitchen, so I'm able to cook, thank God. Otherwise I might be going bankrupt staying here for a week. I think London is more expensive than New York, actually. Get some of this over here. Northern, I can't read the rest. I'm I'm going to assume it's some kind of financial institution. That's sort of the theme. Sort of the theme we have over here. And then we'll show this other place, and then that will probably be a wrap. I don't really know what else to do at the moment. Here's where we just came from. Northern Trust. Okay. Yeah, we're definitely going to end the video soon because my hand is definitely getting tired from carrying this. It's been like over 20 minutes now. We got a little construction. I don't know how London is compared to construction in New York, but in New York, you know, whatever is being worked on, it's going to take a long, long time. So I don't know if they actually get moving in London or not. But in New York, once they have a construction project, they're gonna take their sweet time completing it. HSBC. I would say like all these restaurants here, they just have like this really like sexy thing going on. Cause like every restaurant I've been in has just been like, you really do have like a different feel to it. I'm gonna try and cross the street and end this video because my hand is tired. Delta Capital. I don't know if that has to do with Delta Airlines. I don't know if they're partnered or the same in any way, shape, or form. And yes, here's the fantastic grocery store that I'm fortunate to be walking distance to. And I'm trying to tell my camera to move. And then we'll... Oh. This restaurant I do want to try before I leave. Like every restaurant is just so charming here.
Quite little nod there. He has been fantastic. Been a turbulent season over there.
And then,
PGA Tour.
actually, we'll get the restaurant a little bit more.
Reach the wall.
It's like very cool. And then this place is like another area. Like during at night, there's gonna be so many people here that like, I mean, you have room to walk to the side, but you know, dead ahead is just like gonna be a sea of people. And then I think that's kind of it for now. I'm getting tired of holding the camera. So that is it for now.